3 action cams bought off Amazon. $200, $100 and $20. Are you going to be able to tell which one's which? Rules of the game pretty simple. Going to take these outside on a cold, overcast winter's day in here in Australia. Stick it on the side of the highway in front of some moving cars, after all, they're action cams. And try and guess which one's which. We're not going to bother comparing the sound. After all, they're action cams. They all sound like shit. Here's the fine print and the disclaimer. All cameras were purchased by me without the company's prior permission or approval or knowledge, etc, etc, etc. Film was 100% raw, the way it came out of the camera, straight into editing. Only thing I did was crop them. That's it. So until next time, we'll see you around like a missile, trendsetters.
Techno.